Welcome again to the tutorial on mbira nhare. Today I want to talk about how the keys relate to each other in terms of building a scale. Some people think that scales are only found on guitars and keyboards. Here we also have a scale. Starting from the lowest note to the highest note, we must build a scale. But the notes are not arranged in the obvious way that we find like on the keyboard. So the scale that we find here is what is referred to as the Nyemamusasa or Nyamaropa tuning. Its Western equivalence is the mixolydian scale or the mixolydian mode. The mixolydian mode is a scale that starts from the 5th degree of the major scale. So it's like moving from the 5th degree to the 5th degree an octave higher or an octave lower. So in this case, we are going to start from the lowest note, which is this one. If we are to think in terms of tonic solfa notation, thinking like a choir master, the 5th degree is what is referred to as so. So if we take this sound as so, if we're going up, we expect a la. So we expect la, la, so la. But we don't have a la here. Instead, we have skipped la and gone over to T. And that's the setup, the traditional setup of the mbira nhare. So we are not going to change, we are not changing anything here, we are not creating anything new, we are just analyzing what is there. So if we are to play the scale, then we say so you can learn this scale, you can practice it using different tempi or speeds, using different rhythms until you can play it without thinking about it. And that way you also be able to detect if your mbira is in tune or out of tune. Thank you.